Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your equalizer on Suzuki. So I'm on Suzuki Eviterra. Now what are we going to do here is we're going to go to settings. In the settings we want to go to media, and in the media we select sound. Now we tap on bass, mid and treble, and here we can change it. As you guys can see, we can do it like this. We can boost it up, or we can just put it down. Here are some settings that you can set for an example. Of course, if you don't like them, you can always click on reset. And setting up the equalizer is basically your preference. So it depends if you like some treble, if you like some more mid sounds, or you like the bass. So I always put the bass almost to the max. It's probably around here, so +9. Here the mid sounds, they're really good if they're not overused. And now here we also have the treble. I always put the treble a little bit down, so you can test my own equalizer settings here. Of course, you can easily just create your own. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.